Hello crafters, thank you for tuning in. Sunny in London today. I'm outside of Maddox Gallery and we just finished art class for today and I'm gonna head home and I want to show you a paper mache bird that we'll be making, and yeah, keep watching. And it's an ornament, so you can hang it from a string. Hang it in your window or in a tree or up in the ceiling. I found this model on Jonny's channel, Ultimate Paper Mache, and I like the way that she built up the base, so I used a similar kind of method to make this one. So stay tuned and keep watching. If you watched last week's video, you saw that I made a paper mache lion mask, and I thought this was a fun project to do, so I decided to make a second project. And you guys voted for the bird on Instagram, so I decided to go for that one. The paper mache part is obviously the same as the lion. It's the same material. And if you are into crafting and painting yourself, don't forget to subscribe, because that's what this channel is completely about. It's either my own private projects like this one, or it's projects that I do with the art kids. So my name is Charlotta and I run art classes for kids in London for about 35 kids a week. And we get up to all sorts of fun and I share it with you guys on this channel. So yeah, subscribe if you're into crafting. You see this pattern on the sides? That's called Zentangle. And you can make all sorts of patterns with that. It looks kind of cool. This was actually a wish by the 3 crafting sisters that wanted to see how I made paper mache. So if you're watching, this project is for you. Thank you for watching till the end. I appreciate you staying with me. I'll see you next week. Bye.